This is This is Josiah's creation. It is a convertible. It's the base of the car. See? It also has steering and headlights and brake lights. Those are the brake lights, and these are the headlights, and these are the brake lights. What is the date? This is December 29th, 2022. I meant to say December 30th.
Okay.
I'll tell you when to stop now. These are the controls. So this is forward. This is forward. This is backwards. And this is the steering. And when you put those together, it creates a full drivetrain. These are headlights, both these, and these are both brake lights.